bafowethu hey ungadlaleli kumkhwanasi ungadlaleli kumkhwanasi ungamzeli ngobuso umkhwanasi ungamzeli ngobuso umkhwanasi umkhwanazi is not a man le ucabanga ukuthi uzoyithatha uyihlanganise negenge yakho le enijwayele ukudlala lalela akudlalelwa lapha South Africa you must know ukuthi we have a man who has all intelligence in a police force. There is nobody who is intelligent njengo General Mkhwanasi. He is very intelligent. He is very calm and collective. Ungayikena ngomusha ngombhayizeli ucabanga ukuthi uzobuza noma kanjani because uzokunikeza ama-file akho kahle yes akudishele kahle yonke into. That's my General Nhlanhla Mkhwanasi. So okumangazayo yilokhu ukuthi South African government spent 15,000 rand per isiboshwa umuntu oboshiwe ose prison 15,000 umuntu one prisoner get 15,000 rand. Lo 15,000 rand u500 rand a day one prisoner. Bese kuthi umuntu ongaphandle azothola u350 rand ngenyanga. Isiboshwa sithola u500 rand a day. Umuntu ongaboshiwe onjengami nawe owumhlalo waseSouth Africa uthola malini yena u350 rand ngenyanga. Oboshiwe uthola malini u500 rand a day. Kukutshela ukuthini lokho? Bafowethu. Bafowethu. Hayi bafowethu. Senkingene enkulu bafowethu. Senkingene enkulu. Mina really mangabe ngithi mina bafowethu enough is enough. Ngithi ngempela I am waiting ngilinde isikhathi lapho khona abantu basemzansi abayothi sesikhathele. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Abantu ngoba ithina abantu bakwethu es-electa ugovernment. Ithina esihlanganayo senze yonke imizamo ukuthi ugovernment uyabo ugovernment. Kodwa siyofuneka kufika isikhathi sokuthi sesikhatheleke manje ugovernment. Sikhathele manje. Sesikhathele. Sifuna ukuzenzela thina. Because ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo ne-expenditure eya endaweni e-wrong ney'mali ey'dliwayo ngemali ngesikhathi esi-wrong. Njalo makunebhomu eliqhumayo ngoba umkhwanazi uqhumise amabhomu kuzofuneka iSouth Africa kuphuma imali yama-taxpayers iyokhokhela o140 million omadlanga commission upon commission. Okay, uma kukuthi kunale HOC eParliament kwakubaleke ngani ukuthi ku-appointwe i-commission yethi kuthiwa yikho iSouth Africa is a rich country guys. Our country is a rich country. Bafowethu usenkingeni iyamangaza-ke ukuthi imali kulula ukuthi iyosebenza eyiboshweni kubantu ababoshiwe kodwa kubantu abangaboshiwe akulula imali isebenze khona. Yini ugovernment ayenzela abahlali base-South Africa abaxhasi? And ngisanenkinga mina ukuthi kunabantu kunama-countries angayi-correct intela noma correcta intela encane kodwa lawo ma-country they still support abahlali bakhona even onemoto ukuthi athenge imoto even ukuthenga upetrol still bayasupportwa. Othenga umuzi uyasupportwa. Uma umhlali nje wecountry uyanikezwa subsidy. Kodwa la via funeka uzuba umsebenzi kagovernment. Nakhona there are terms and conditions. Iyiphi terms and conditions ngumhlali waseSouth Africa? Ukuthi ngumhlali wala eSouth Africa nje. I'm a South African. You don't need no condition ukuthi ugovernment ukuthi ungi-empowerishe ukuthi ungixhase ukuthi ngithenga umuzi noma ngithenga upetrol. Ubusy shooting upetrol up but still unama-condition. Ayikho lento le. Makufuneka usize. Bafowethu angisho lutho. Okwami kulula nje bakwethu ukukhuluma izinto njengomhlalo engibona ukuthi eyilokhu bafowethu lokhu kufanele ngaba kwenzeki kodwa nje the time will come where abantu abawubuyela base South Africa bawubuyela kuma senses abo bethi sesikhathele sekwenele ngalo government asesafuni sikhathele azothi amaXhosa hey sidikiwe ke ngoku phuma uphele apha kuthi sithi namazulu esikhathelo wena kede indaba akasayingeni yabo asazi ukuthi kulindwe bani bafowethu kodwa nje hey kwaze kwanzima ngempela ukuthi sibonge General Mkhwanazi ukuthi usukume ukhipha amaqiniso ukuthi kwenzakalana izwe lethu lihlwithiwe sihlwithwa bekhona kusetshenzwa nawo ukuhlwithwa kwezwe lethu siyabonga General we stand behind you General Mkhwanazi thank you